Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can do the slow zoom in Capcut app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Capcut app. So once you open your Capcut app, simply select a new project or start over your old one. So after you have selected your project, simply tap it on and then tap on the diamond like icon. So now to do the slow zoom, simply tap the two diamond like icons where you want it to be placed. And now simply zoom in into your video as per your liking, or add the diamond like icon to add more dimension to the video. So once you have done and adjusted your keyframes as well as zoomed out your video and zoomed in your video as well, your Capcut video will now have the slow zoom in it. So this is how you do the slow zoom in Capcut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.